A second and a more effective way of doing this, but more difficult, is to use masks. To do that, I've already white balanced a clip. We want the red, so I'm going to just pump up that red a little bit. Saturation wise, just want it really crazy. And then I'm going to option and drag the clip above. So I've made two clips. The top clip is the one that the machine sees. I'm going to click on the bottom clip, press letter V just to, so it's off right now. We only see the top clip. I'm going to add a mask. I'm going to add this draw mask here onto that clip. Go up here. So here's our draw mask, and we're going to make some points. We're just going to click and just, doesn't have to, don't want to be super close, just around the image. Doesn't take too long. And you see I start off screen and end off screen. So right now the clip underneath is turned off, so you don't see anything. If I invert this, you'll see the bottom and not the top. We want to see the top on top, and the bottom will show through when I turn it on. Here, just I'll turn it on. There it is. Okay. So now we need to move this along and create keyframes for it that that will follow me. So we go to control points, open that up. We're ready to put our cursor at the beginning of this. Well, that wasn't very good. Anyways, turn on the keyframing. Select the draw mask tool. Select the control point here, so the very first one. And then we just begin to move along. And as we move, we'll see my face going a little bit out. So I want to grab that control point and move it out a little bit so we don't cut off my face. These can come in a little bit closer. Oops, I want to drag the whole thing. Make sure you get the right. Sometimes you have to click your mouse a couple times to get the, come on. There we go. That's what we want, the cross here. All right, and we move along a little bit more. I'm going to make this a little bigger so I can work with it easier. Move along the keys process. It's just a very short clip. If you do a longer clip, it would be a problem. Of course, if you're using DaVinci Resolve, then you don't have this issue because it has a tracker that will do this automatically. You can also purchase plugins for Final Cut that will do this for you. I purchased one from an Australian company. It works reasonably well, and it cost me $70 US. That was on sale. Okay, so let's turn on the bottom frame. Press V. And, the bottom frame, sorry, we're going to desaturate this completely. So I'm going to go to colors. I'm going to grab the whole thing and just desaturate it. Okay, so just as well. So when we put this back on, I'm in color. Everything else is completely desaturated, even the brown on the shingles and the doors of the houses that had a tendency to be to have some red in them. So let's see how well we track this. So that's adjusting for or eliminating other colors using masks.